Morning students. Today now we are discussing about female reproductive system. Okay, in the last class male reproductive system பார்த்தோம். But today now we are discussing about female reproductive system. So the female reproductive system is a more complex than male. Female more complex than male. Because what are the reason? Okay, the female to form addition of gamete formation. Addition to gamete formation and nurture developing fetus. Nurture feeding. யாருக்கு developing fetus? Additional work. Okay, nurture developing fetus. Okay, the female reproductive system consists of என்னென்ன செல் இருக்கு? pair of ovary 1 2 pair of ovaries, pair of oviduct, oviduct otherwise called fallopian tube or uterine tube. Okay, fallopian tube otherwise called oviduct அல்லது okay uterine tube. Understand? Okay pa. Then cervix, then vagina, then cervical canal. Cervix, cervical canal, then vagina. Understand? The female reproductive system consists of pair of ovary, uterus, then cervix, vagina, cervical canal, along with the mammary gland. Mammary gland means a modification of sweat gland. Sweat gland modified into mammary gland, but is present both male and female. Male rudimentary, female can developing. Understand? The male do not developing mammary gland. It is rudimentary, malfunction. The female functioning, secretion of milk. Okay, then mammary gland. Okay, ovary, oviduct, cervix, vagina, external genitalia along with the mammary gland integrated, coordinate structurally and functionally. Okay, to support the process. What are the process? Okay, first ovulation. The egg is released from the Graafian follicle is called ovulation. Egg is removed from the Graafian follicle is called ovulation. First ovulation, egg removal. Then fertilization. The fusion of male and female gamete is called zygote. In the process is called fertilization. Okay, then pregnancy. Conceive, pregnancy. Then childbirth. Final child care. Understand? Pair of ovary, oviduct, okay, uterus, cervix, vagina, external genitalia along with the mammary gland can together structurally, functionally support the process. What are the process? One is ovulation, fertilization, pregnancy, childbirth and child care. Understand? Okay, then the female reproductive system can divided into two main parts. one primary sex organ, another one is called accessory sex organ. Ovary mattum, ovary only primary sex organ. Remaining இருக்கக்கூடிய cervix, cervical canal, vagina, okay, oviduct, that is helping organ, that is a accessory organ. Accessory means helping. Okay, first ovary, pair of ovary. But the pair of ovary present in where? A pair of ovary located into either side of the lower abdomen. Pair of ovary located into either side or each side of the lower abdomen. Okay, pair of ovary located into either side of abdominal cavity. Okay, so ovary is a primary sex organ or female sex organ. What are the uses? Ovary first use is produce ova or egg. Okay, ova or egg. Ova or egg. Okay, then which is safe? So the ovary contain elliptical in shape. Which is safe, elliptical. Elliptical means oval. Oval in shape. Okay, 2 to 4 centimeter long. Okay, elliptical in shape, 2 to 4 centimeter long. Then covered by cuboidal epithelium. The ovary covered cuboidal epithelium. That is germinal epithelium. You understand? The ovary covered by the layer is called cuboidal epithelium. It is commonly called germinal epithelium. Okay, enclose ovarian. அல்லது enclose ovarian stroma. Enclose ovarian stroma. Ovarian stroma. Okay, the stroma can divided into two parts. One is outer cortex, inner medulla. Okay, outer cortex, inner medulla. Okay, but the outer cortex containing tense and granular nature. Oh, cortex, tense and granular nature. What are the reasons, sir? To the presence of ovarian follicle in various stages can development. Okay, ovarian follicle. Ovarian follicle can different stages can development, so it is called tense in nature. Okay, inner medulla, loose connective tissue. Okay, inga tense, inga loose. Tense means various stage of follicle cells development. Tense la abundant blood vessel, lymph vessel. Okay, blood vessels irukku, lymphatic vessels irukku. Okay, nerve fibers irukku. Okay, lymph vessel, blood vessel, nerve fibers finally attached. Okay, then finally attached to the enga sir appdin keta pelvic wall. The ovary finally attached where? Pelvic wall. The uterus by ovarian ligaments is called mesoovarium. One more question. Remaining finally attached to the substance is called mesoovarium. You understand? That's all. Ovary finished. Then fallopian tube. Then another one is called fallopian tube. Fallopian tube otherwise called uterine tube or oviduct. Fallopian tube otherwise called uterine tube அல்லது oviduct. Okay, then remaining இருக்கக்கூடிய uterus, vagina, cervical canal, okay, external genitalia, but all accessory organs of female reproductive organ. Okay, first fallopian tube. So the fallopian tube extending from periphery region of ovary to uterus. Periphery means an outer region. Periphery means an outer region. Outer region of ovary. Okay, but the outer region of ovary to uterus, but in this area is called fallopian tube. Or you understand? Fallopian tube extending from the periphery region of ovary to uterus. The proximal part, that is proximal means near. Proximal means near the fallopian tube. The proximal part of fallopian tube. Okay, fallopian tube is funnel shaped structure. The funnel shaped structure is called infundibulum. Okay, the fallopian tube containing funnel shaped structure is called infundibulum. Okay, understand? Here funnel shaped finger like structure. Finger like structure pimbrine. Your funnel shaped structure infundibulum. Then the edges of infundibulum. The edges of infundibulum, many finger like projection are present, so it is called pimbrine or pimbrine. Okay, pimbrine. Okay, the many finger end of the infundibulum. The end of the infundibulum, many finger like projection is called pimbrine. Okay, then what are the uses of pimbrine? The finger like projection. Pimbrine can use collection of ovum after ovulation. The matured egg released from the Graafian follicle. But in this ovum, capture or collection of egg, collection of ovum after ovulation. What are the use of pimbrine? Pimbrine collection of egg after ovulation. Okay, then the infundibulum leads. The infundibulum leads the wider region. The wider region is called ampulla. The infundibulum leads the central portion of fallopian tube is called ampulla. Understand? The infundibulum leads central portion of the fallopian tube is called ampulla. Okay, then the last part is called isthmus. The last part of fallopian tube is called isthmus. Okay, total the isthmus, ampulla, then infundibulum together is called fallopian tube or uterine tube or oviduct. Understand? Okay, then uterus. What is uterus? The uterus is a hollow. The region is called uterus. Uterus is a hollow. Hollow means empty place. This thick wall. Okay, thick walled muscular, highly muscular. Okay, thick wall, highly muscular, inverted pear shape. Periga. Inverted pear shaped. Lying where? Pelvic cavity between urinary bladder and rectum. Uterus arranged into between the urinary bladder and rectum. Okay, but the major portion of the uterus. Okay, the major portion of the uterus, the rounder structure is called fundus. the major portion of the uterus, the rounded portion அப்படியே இந்த area. Okay, when the rounded portion is called in a uterus or superior part, then uterus open to vagina, the uterus open to vagina, but in this area vagina, the uterus open to the vagina through cervical canal, the region. Okay, the uterus open to the vagina through cervical canal. Okay, இப்போ the cavity of cervix, இங்க இருக்கக்கூடிய cavity of cervix is called cervical canal. Cavity of cervix is called cervical canal. Okay, but the cervical canal communicate vagina. The cervical canal communicate vagina through external orifices. The cervical canal open to the vagina, that is in the external orifices. Okay, internal. Okay, internal through external uterus through internal orifices. Up in the region, sir, connecting link, that is cervical canal, this area uterus, this area vagina. அப்ப uterus இணைப்பது எது சொன்ன internal orifices, vagina வை கனெக்ட் பண்ணுவது என்ன external orifices அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, then the cervical canal along with vagina, the cervical canal along with vagina, so it is called birth canal. Cervical canal then vaginal canal ரெண்டு மிங்கிளா இருக்கக்கூடிய என்ன சார் அப்படினா birth canal. Birth canal. Okay, then uterus. The uterus has 3 layers present. Okay, the outermost layer is called serous. Serous ஆன் சொல்லுவோம். Serous layer, perimetrium. The middle layer is called myometrium. Inner layer is called endometrium. Okay, one more question. Inner layer of uterus is called endometrium. Outer layer of uterus is called perimetrium. Middle layer of uterus is called myometrium. That is middle layer, that is outer layer, that is inner layer. The outer layer is called serous layer. That is a protective layer. Middle layer is a muscular layer, myometrium. Inner layer is a glandular layer. Understand? Okay, that is serous layer, myometrium muscular layer, endometrium glandular layer. Okay, understand? அப்ப endometrium அப்படிங்கிறது very very important for menstrual cycle. Undergoes cyclic changes during the menstrual cycle. The myometrium exhibit strong contraction during parturition. Okay, endometrium தோட first வேலை. What are the uses of layer? Outer layer na protective. Perimetrium serous layer is a protective layer. Myometrium exhibits strong contraction of parturition. Myometrium strong contraction. Strong contraction of uterus. Okay, endometrium cyclic changes of menstrual cycle. Understand? Perina outer protection. Myonia strong contraction. Myona strong contraction. Endometrium. Okay, then another one is called endometrium. Okay, endometrium means that is cyclic changes menstrual cycle. Myometrium uterus contraction, that is protective layer, serous layer. Understand? Then vagina. What is vagina? Vagina is a large fibromuscular tube extend cervix to external genitalia. Cervix la irundhu external genitalia vagina. The vagina extending from cervix to external genitalia. Okay, what are the uses? The vagina act as copulatory organ. Anga penis act as copulatory organ in male. Inga female. Vagina act as copulatory organ of female. The female reproductive structure external vagina containing என்னென்ன சார் இருக்கு? The external genitalia otherwise called vulva. இருக்கக்கூடிய external genitalia அதுக்கு vulva. There are many layers formed. Labia majora, labia minora, next caiman clitoris. Labia majora, minora, clitoris, caiman. Okay, then what are the gland? What are the gland in female reproductive system? Bartholin gland. Understand? Pathada. Female pathada. Female Bartholin gland. That is a vestibular gland. எங்க சார் இருக்கு? The posterior of left and right opening of vagina. Posterior and right and left side opening of vagina. The secrete mucus. Okay, that is a lubrication. That is a homologous to pulpourethral gland. Another one is a Skinner's gland. There are two glands present in female. One is called Bartholin gland. Second one is called Skinner's gland. Okay, Bartholin. Second is Skinner's gland. Bartholin gland secrete mucus. That is presence of where? Posterior and left and right of the vagina or opening of vagina. The Skinner's gland located anterior wall of vagina. Sir, Bartholin பாத்தீங்கன்னா posterior of vagina. Skinner's பாத்தீங்க அப்படினு கேட்டா anterior of vagina. Okay, இதுவும் secreting lubricating fluid homologous to male prostate gland. one more question கேட்கலாம். Skinner's gland அப்படிங்கிறது homologous to prostate gland. Bartholin gland is a that is homologous to pulpourethral gland. Okay, finally external opening vagina leads to the என்னது அங்க இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு proper layer is called caiman. During the coitus the caiman layer is வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா break down. Okay, then the physical activities, cycling, car bike ride, etc. Okay, the hymen layer indicate woman virginity. Do you understand? Mammary gland மட்டும் இருக்கு. Mammary gland next class போவோம். Mammary gland அப்படிங்கிறது modification of foot gland. Okay வா?